where we come to learn together and to grow together about mental well-being and mental health. Last week, we started on a journey on minding our minds during the COVID-19 period. And today's episode is still about minding our minds. However, we are going to consider with the social isolation, how do we mind our minds? This is to give you tips so that you can find tricks for you to remain mentally well and mentally healthy, even as you're experiencing lockdown and certain restrictive measures and movements wherever you are. Stay tuned and let's see what today we have in store in terms of minding your mind. Just like you and me, initially when we were told to stay home, we enjoyed it, and it's all fun and games if you're going to stay home for a while. But after some time, it becomes tiring, it becomes restricting, and you start experiencing stress. And here we are, we have to remain socially isolated so that we can flatten the curve. So we are going to offer you some tips today on, even as you socially isolate, how do you remain mentally well so that at the end of it all, you're both physically and mentally healthy. So tip number 1, be busy. Decide to come up with a schedule that you try and stick to as much as possible. This schedule should involve your physical health, your mental health, your intellectual, your spiritual, and your social part of self. So be busy, choose to occupy your time wisely, and come up with a schedule that you can follow as much as possible. Number 2, distract yourself from negative emotions by listening to music, reading, watching a movie, something entertaining, and also engaging in hobbies that you know you like and you enjoy. This is also a time for you to reconnect with hobbies that you have always wanted to try, or hobbies that you used to enjoy, but you've never had enough time to reconnect with and to just take time to enjoy and just be in the moment. So choose to distract yourself from negative emotions by doing things that you like and enjoy. Also remember to limit your screen time in as much as you would be trying to distract yourself from negative thinking. Number 3 is about your physical well-being. And at this point, we encourage you to eat healthy and to drink plenty of fluids and plenty of water to ensure that your body is well nourished and well hydrated. Ensure that you're taking the proper nutrients and that you are eating meals as balanced as possible. But even as you do this, we encourage you to limit your alcohol to a bare minimum. And even as you're eating healthy, tip number 4 is about you being physically active. With the eating and with the drinking, ensure you get going. At least 30 minutes every day or an hour every day. So ensure that you engage in a sport or in an exercise, or it could just be a simple walk for you to be physically active each and every day. And then number 5, for you to continue feeling like you're being meaningful and you're still making a contribution in this period in time, share what you can, because you say sharing is caring. And at this point in time, if someone needs advice or you can provide some of their essentials, please extend a helping hand in your community. As you do this, remember your children also need a routine for them to remain mentally healthy and for them to mind their minds. So as you create a routine and you consider the 5 things we have talked about, also take care of your children in the same perspective. Last but not least, as I leave you today, in as much as you're socially isolating, we can choose to remain socially connected and socially, emotionally still engaged with each other. How do we do this? By use of the internet and the technology we currently have. So you could physically, socially distance, but emotionally, through the use of technology, you can choose to remain socially engaged. And that's it for today. Until next time, I hope you mind your mind. And because we are starting this channel, I ask that do not hesitate to leave a comment or to suggest topics that would be of relevance to you that you would like us to talk about. If you enjoyed today's topic, please leave a thumbs up and share the video, invite others, and keep it locked here until the next video. So until next time, it's bye-bye.